morning, good morning, good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning this morning, as usual. Let me see. Let me get my self situated here. All right, guys. So yesterday I didn't do much. I just did some research, and I also did some editing. It's bleaky this morning, guys. It's probably about 8:30 now, but it's bleaky. Yeah. I gotta blow the backyard off. Anyhow, yesterday didn't do much, just mostly editing and what else I did? Not much. As I said, it was a Saturday. Didn't do much. Just a update. The tomorrow, the plans for peppers is coming through. They just need to resolve one issue, and it's just they need a site plan for the current gas station to show that there's sewage there to tie into. So tomorrow morning I'll get that site plan for them. There is sewage there, we just got to get that site plan. I've seen it before, so it's just to get it to submit to the county so they could take a look at it. It shouldn't be a problem. All I got to do is just reach out to the gas station, Circle K, and get that site plan forwarded to the county. Alright, so that's that. We getting through. Hopefully this week they'll sign off on it, and then we could apply for the building permit from the city of Suwannee. So it's a process, guys, but we getting through, right? The other day they sent back a bunch of comments. They resolved all those comments. They fixed all of them. The architect said it's only one. He's in contact with a lady within the department, and it's only one, he said, to resolve. Alright, so with that being said, that's good news. We getting there. Now I have to deal with the health department in terms of reprinting the plan and resubmitting those plans to the health department. But their part of it, as I said, it's just to make changes, wording changes, right? So their part shouldn't be too crazy. Again, thank you guys for the subscription. I noticed like 3-4 people maybe subscribed last night. Between yesterday I was looking and this morning. So thank you guys. You know who you are, who subscribed yesterday. Thank you. I appreciate it. The channel is growing. People are watching it. The views are up. Even if they're not subscribing, the views are going up. Need that watch hour, guys. But I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you. If you're watching this and you find it interesting, just please hit that subscribe. I appreciate it. This little journey right here, the YouTube journey, I'm new to it. I decided I'm gonna try it out. I like it. Drop videos every day. The vlog is just about me and my journey and my life and what I'm doing throughout, the coming months or years. As I said, it's just a life everyday vlog. That's the name of the channel, Life Everyday. I pretty much show you guys what I do every day. If I'm lounging around, that's what you're gonna see. If I'm feeding the birds right there, the wild birds, that's what you're gonna see. If I'm working on the trailer right there, you're gonna see that. If I'm cutting the lawn, you get the idea. That's my vlog, right? So if you guys sitting around ain't got nothing to watch and you want to see what I do in my life, then you could watch me, right? As I said, I do a lot of different things throughout the day. It's not a how-to channel. I'm not teaching anyone how to do anything, but this is how I do it, So if you see me at the salon working and changing a bowl and it's not correct, that's how I do it, right? It is what it is, right? It's not a how-to. However, if you see me doing something and you need some help, reach out. I could tell you how I do it, Alright, so this morning ain't much to do. I'm probably just gonna make some fried dumpling. In Jamaican, so I'm gonna make some fried dumpling this morning, or some green plantains, just to do something. I like fried dumplings, so whenever it's made. So I'm gonna make some fried dumpling. Um, I have some mats that gets real dirty over for the salon. The front mat and back mat you see me always vacuuming, they get dirty. So I have extra ones here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash those mats, get them dried, um, and then swap them out. So the ones that's over there, I'm gonna take it here, power wash it. That's why I wanted to get the power wash together, because we have large mats here at the house um, and at the salon that needs washing. We could probably take them to the laundromat. I don't know if the laundromat washes those big mats, but you have like like kitchen mats, the real big ones, or a carpet, um those I don't think the laundromat wash those, the cleaners. Maybe you have some special places that does it, but I have a power wash, some soap. I'll just soap it up and power wash it in my driveway. Don't take more than 30 minutes to do all of that. So you see, like this mat right here I have on the outside, I'm gonna take that mat to the laundromat. I'll just put it in the driveway and power wash it. Hose it off and soap it up. Especially the ones at the salon, they get dirty real quick. There's a lot of traffic in and out. So, instead of paying a mat service, or I'll just wash them myself. So that's the maintenance. That's what I do every day. I maintain, save some money, put some money in your pocket. However, maybe later on I will pay for those services and get, but right now that's my job. That's what I do. If I pay everyone to do everything, that's less money in your pocket and nothing for me to do. um, I know you guys are gonna beat me up for that, because then you're gonna say, hey, why are you doing it? Pay somebody and just sit back and do nothing. Yes, but I have to do something. I can't sit back and do nothing. That's just me. I have to be moving every day, get stuff done every day. I can't just sit around and lounge around. I need to move around. um so yeah, uh I'm gonna get the mats washed today. I'm gonna make some breakfast. I don't really eat breakfast. I don't eat till 12, but today I'm just gonna fry some dumplings. Fry some Jamaican dumplings. I keep saying I'm gonna try and do a video just all Jamaican, talking all Jamaican. um I'm gonna try that out, try and incorporate some Jamaican language here and there. um yeah, so um let's see. I'm gonna head inside and make my hot water and um chef up some dumplings, some fried dumpling. All right, guys, stay tuned. guys, we fry two dumpling, Jamaican dumpling, and we fry them in a wok. I mean, everything we do is in a wok. If I do fry rice, if I do a cup soup, I do it in a wok. And everything I cook in a wok. The fry plantain, steamed veggies, everything you notice is a one pot me use. So there you go, fried dumpling. Simple recipe, 3 ingredients: flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Or that 4: flour, sugar, salt, baking powder. Four ingredients, and water 5. Yeah, so that is it. Into some recycle. Alright guys, so I go wash all the mats. See, look, there's one right here by the garage door, so I'm gonna take all of them out so I could wash all of them. So I got these, I got the ones from the salon. I'm gonna wash them out. Give me a second, let me set you up right here. Got these. Guys, one day I'll reveal this car to you. I'll reveal it and tell you what's under there. It's a surprise. But yeah, let me get the other mat, the one from inside. Smell like dumpling in here. Huge mats. So it's like it's hard to I don't know if those laundry places washes mats. I don't know. Maybe there's a company that does it, but alright, I got the one in the back door, and then I have one at the side, and then I'm gonna go get the other 2 from the salon. Alright, so let's go in the front. Nice day today.